These photos show how unpredictable genetics can be.
Vitiligo is much more common than people would think. This disease causes white patches of skin across the body due to a lack of melanin, the skin pigment. As can be seen on this man's face, only part of the skin are lacking melanin, leaving him with a unique patchwork look. Sometimes the color of the hair is also affected, as can be seen by the white patches in his beard. Some people might be embarrassed by this disease, but it actually can enhance a person's beauty. Many models are starting to appear that have vitiligo, and their embracement of it has only helped them in their career. Some people's worst fear in life is to prematurely age. Many people do just about everything in their power, including surgery, to slow down the aging process. Little do they know that there is a syndrome known as Hutchinson-Gilford syndrome, or neonatal progeria, that actually causes young babies to prematurely age very rapidly. Within the first 2 years of their lives, they can age to the point of appearing to be elderly. Sadly, their bodies age extremely rapidly, and not at the same pace as their brains, so they are often just a few years old dealing with arthritis and dementia, and then ultimately, death. Vitiligo, as can be seen from this list alone, is actually fairly common. It affects between 0.5 to 1% of people around the world. And although some people are embarrassed by the lack of color or discoloration on portions of their skin, others have chosen to embrace and love it. For example, this person decided to draw and outline their vitiligo marks, giving themselves an exotic and stunning giraffe-like look on their hand. That's one way to deal with the disease. Instead of trying to hide it, try to highlight it. Show the world that you are not ashamed, but rather very proud of who you are. We already showed an example of heterochromia earlier. However, did you know that it is possible to have partial heterochromia? To explain exactly what that means, instead of having two different colored eyes, you have two colors in one eye. This can lead to a very stunning look, as can be seen in this picture of a bright blue and green combined in one eye. It's usually divided in the middle or pretty evenly across the eye. The color distinction is also very clear and impossible to miss. Thanks for watching.